Ciao guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Luke Penko with Italian in your pocket. Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti. Sono contentissimo che siete qui con me. Hey guys, super excited that you're here. I can't wait to get to know you more and start this YouTube channel. Maybe some of you know me from Facebook or from my online course and memberships. I really wanted to take the opportunity to start making some awesome content and videos for you guys on YouTube to help you in your Italian language learning journeys. So in today's video, I really wanted to dive in and share with you my journey of learning Italian and to prove to you that you can do it. So let's just dive right in. So quickly, a little of my story. It's been about 6 years or so since I started learning Italian. And before I started, I didn't speak any other languages. I ended up studying abroad in Florence, Italy. And my dad was actually the one that pushed me to go there. And when I actually, landed in Florence, started experiencing Italy, falling in love with the sound of the language, meeting Italians, I completely committed to myself to learning Italian so I could fully experience everything that Italy has to offer. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you love Italy as much as I do. The food, the culture, the people. I mean, everything about Italy is amazing. And of course, the language, la lingua più bella del mondo, the most beautiful language in the world. And that's what really gripped me. It captured me, making me want to come back. And I've been there several times now over the past several years. I've lived there for months at a time, absolutely love it. And it was at that time that I committed to learning. So fast forward a year later, I became fluent and I had learned so much on what to do to learn a language and what not to do. And what I realized is when I went back a year later, I was there for about 3 weeks and I only spoke Italian when I was there, zero English. And it was one of the most amazing experiences in my entire life. And that is honestly why I'm making this video. That is why I decided to help people learn Italian, create an online course, create Facebook groups, bring people together, create a community of people that are as passionate about Italy as I am. And by doing that, I was able to connect with others because I realized it took me months of struggling and trying so many different things and spending hours upon hours every day just to learn to speak, just so I could understand a little bit of a song, a conversation, a movie, one of my Italian friends. And once I was able to do that, my life and my experience in Italy completely changed. Going back there, and I'm telling you, when you're able to really speak the native tongue, be able to speak Italian, and if you meet Italians, you're on the street, you're experiencing the sights, the culture, the food, when you can really speak Italian and connect on that level, it changes everything. And I promise you, you haven't really experienced Italy unless you speak Italian. So don't take offense to that. If you've been there for the past 10 years and you go every year, but you don't speak Italian, of course you can have a great time, but I really think it goes to a completely different level when you speak the language. So let me kind of just delve into some of the things that I've done and some of the things that you should avoid. So when I was first learning, I didn't know what to do, right? You hear there's online classes, there's classes in person, there's grammar books, there's meetups, there's podcasts, there's YouTube videos. I mean, there's a million things that you can do, free apps, other softwares you can do. And I was completely overwhelmed when I was learning. And so during my journey, I was spending over 8 hours a day when I wasn't working at my job or in college, trying all these different methods. And it was overwhelmed. And so it literally took me this entire year of trying everything to finally figure out and crack the code. And it turns out it's actually super, super simple to learn Italian and to become conversational. And some of the people that I've helped that have been struggling for years are able in just a few weeks to completely transform how they approach learning Italian and being able to understand and start speaking it very quickly. And that's what I want to do on this channel. That's the goal, is to share with you guys how you can do it too. And in other videos, I'm gonna go in depth on exactly what to avoid, what I did specifically, the best things that you should do to learn. But I just want you to know that you can do it. It's totally possible. It doesn't matter where you come from, how old you are, or how young you are, whatever excuse you might have in your mind, it's completely doable. And I'm here to help you in any way I can. So if you enjoyed this video, we're just getting started. Make sure you leave a like, a thumbs up, pop in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you would like to know about so I can make some videos as well. Don't forget also to download an Italian guide on how you can change your mindset so you can learn Italian, and as well as I go in depth in my method, and so you can take the exact steps that I did to become fluent in under a year and conversational in just the next few months. So make sure you click below this video. The link will be in the description. Download the PDF, read everything, go through it, implement it, and you'll start seeing massive results right away. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Grazie mille e ci sentiamo presto. Ciao.